basic Cata playing. Good exercises to do just the right hand. And practicing the left hand independently, so hearing that as yeah. Those put together again. To exercise to hear the clave within the Cata and vice versa. Strong hand is easiest doing the busier pattern, doing the Cata, and this hand's doing the clave. So in the Wawancos, this would be rumba clave, so it's a better place to practice, yeah? It's worth practicing with the son clave here as well. If you use the son clave, the third beat is between the right hand, yeah? So prior to lockdown, we were having one hand playing that Cata pattern and the other hand playing the melody of the Wawanko, the Havana version. It's technically easier to have your strong hand doing the busier pattern, and I learned like that because that's what when you play timbales, the right hand's doing all the bell pattern and this hand's just playing independent things between. So that way around you'd get that second accent there, the Bombo note, it doesn't matter which drum you play it on. I kind of realised that there's a certain logic to playing it in your weaker hand, because when you play the two drums normally it'd be your strong hand that moves between that melody. It doesn't matter which drum you hit the Bombo on. Another useful exercise is to do the rumba clave here with the Wawanko melody. So it's going